They say it's good. But it looks like this. If you put your feet in it and put them inside and put it like this, here is a unicorn. Look, it's very good. When will my baby come in this towel? I'm waiting. So I'm saying, is this the second product? How do you like it? Is it winter? The dresses I bought for the babies to be born are cute. Cute. Small, full sleeves. It gets a point. It looks like this. Quality is good, worth the price. I got 6 pairs of these. Look, look, look. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. You must have come to see the thumbnail. So since I have a few days to deliver, I bought some products from your show for my baby, useful products. So I will open all these for you now and share all the reviews. So before opening all these and giving a review, if anyone sees it new, like the video and subscribe to the channel, because these are products that are useful for babies. I have a small hope that if you like it, it will reach more people. Bye. So I sincerely want you to reach more people with this video. So let's start without delay. First, which one should I open? Tell me first. I will open this. I am very interested in this. Yeah. So before going for delivery, we need to pack a baby bag. So I am buying all the products for that online. Since I have gone, I can take it, but if I like it, I will keep it. Otherwise, I will return it. So I took it. There are 2 products in this. First, I bought a baby towel, a Urine towel, a Hasnik Hello Kit, and this one, which wraps the baby, is it not? Let's start with the towel. I am very interested in this. Look, wow. How smooth it is. I will tell you all the cost of this. I will also give you all the links. Look. I want to buy Urine, Hasnik, but my husband said take the pink color, take the pink color. That's why I bought pink then, and now it's blue. Tell me, who will wipe the 2 children when they take a bath? Look, it is very smooth. Do you know my hand? The cloth is visible in the video, how smooth it is, so I will put it on my head. Is this good? The cost of this is not on the bill. I will provide the link below because I am recording on my phone. All the links are there. Wow. This is a towel for wrapping a baby. Do you see it? Here. You lay the baby down in it, put your feet in it. Neat. There are these stickers. We put them in. The baby's head here. Put both legs in it and wrap the baby like this. Because now doctors have baby carriers, they put zips here and there. They say not to bring them in such things. Because we don't wash them every day, so there are germs. If you take such a soft towel, it will be a little warm for them too, because we can wash it every day. So it has a washing purpose. So if I take it, do you see it? Put your feet in it, put them inside, and put it like this. Here's a unicorn, look. Very good. I am waiting for my baby to arrive in this towel. So this is the second product. Is it good? Comment how you like it. Okay. And next I will open these. Of course, I will give all the description. Links without forgetting anything. If it is useful to anyone, definitely take it, okay? So the doctor said that the delivery may be next month in December. So that is why the hospital backpack should also be packed quickly. Because you can't tell when you have to go, so you have to pack it. I will also share that video with you. Before you open it, the camera, I don't even know where to get this from when these arrive. Baby vet, look, we will get a pack of three colors. Here they are. They are exactly the same height as the baby. Can you see they are the same height? We put a cloth on it and put the baby on it. There is a plastic shield like this on the back. Since we put it on the bed, the baby spends most of the time on the bed. So no matter how many times he goes to the toilet, there will be no damage to the mattress. We can also remove this once every 2 or 3 hours and change it. Look at how it came out. I got 3 of these. 3 also cost me about 250 rupees, which seemed low to me. The price was said to be low if we use it for a few days and feel it is damaged again, so I bought it, and this one is sky blue color and this one came in baby pink light color. But it's all worth the price. Look, no matter how many times they go to the toilet, there will be no damage to the mattress. If we don't get them used to diapers, they won't get rashes or anything, and babies will be healthy for a few more days. Diapers have been like that since birth. We used to wear diapers for our husky since birth. Now, we didn't know that these and these would be like this back then, but now we know. So diapers are useful. And clothes, what are you looking at? Clothes, have you seen these? Clothes. There are so many of them. The dresses I bought for the babies who are going to be born in winter are cute. Cute, small, aren't they? They come with full sleeves, and this one comes with a point. Quality is good, worth the price. I got 6 pairs of these. Look. One is orange, and this is blue. A few days are enough since it's winter. We put on this green color like this. Don't we? If they wear full sleeves, they won't feel cold. Look, they said they came in total 6 pairs. Look how good they are. I really like them. Did you see that they came in more than 6? How cute. Oh, they came in pink. They are all maximum. This is a baby pink with a small point. They say that if you tie small clothes to it, it will move, and I said that they are also flexible like this. It doesn't matter a bit. I think these will be enough for 1 month after birth. It's okay. I said that even if I took them, my baby will use them. Oh my god. And I said that they still have these. So I showed you the same pattern. I showed you all this. So these are also inside. Why didn't I open everything? So these are the products I bought for my baby before delivery, and there are still a few more to come. But I said it would be late, so I unboxed them, and will post them in short videos when they arrive. If you find this video useful, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, share it with others, and let me know your opinion in the comments. Thank you for watching.